Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to K&K, or welcome if you're new. So today it's just gonna be me, and we're gonna clean the bedroom. But we have a little bit of a problem. I don't know where I placed the thing that screws in the camera, so I put it on a tripod at. So that's a problem, and I need to find it. But yeah, happy Vlogmas day 3. So excited. I am committed to doing this even though my camera is like messing up and it's getting on my nerves, but it's okay because we got this and we're committed. So I guess I'm just gonna show you my room real fast. It's pretty messy. Yeah, let's just get started with this. And I'm sorry if it doesn't, like, if I can't show you perfectly, because I have to keep my lens, my rear view vinder thingy-majigger that I can see myself on up, or else it'll turn off. So here's the floor, not that bad. And then we have that, and then we have the dresser. So it's really just a bunch of clothes, so it's not that bad. But I'm gonna stop talking and we're gonna get started. We're gonna start with putting the laundry in the washer. I found it! Yay! Okay guys, I don't know if you have been watching very long, but every time I do laundry, I always put everything that needs to go in my dresser back into the basket, and that's just how I spread everything out, so it's less stuff. Hey guys, I'm editing my video now and I realized I never finished it out. So I'll see you in the next video. I love you guys. Follow me on Instagram, Kinsey.maria02, and follow Keith.holder. I'll leave it in the description box. And I'll see you in Vlogmas Day 4 tomorrow. Bye guys.